Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Le Vieux-Nord is a historic neighborhood in Sherbrooke, located near the downtown core in the borough of Mont-Bellevue. The neighborhood is known for its older residential streets, large historic homes, mature trees, and connection to many of Sherbrooke's early institutions. Le Vieux-Nord developed during the late 19th and early 20th centuries as Sherbrooke expanded through industrial growth and railway development. Today, the area remains one of the city's best-known historic districts and reflects much of Sherbrooke's architectural and cultural heritage. The growth of Le Vieux-Nord was closely tied to the rise of Sherbrooke as an industrial center. During the 19th century, factories powered by the St. Francis and Magog rivers helped create economic growth across the city. Business owners, professionals, and industrial leaders began building larger homes in neighborhoods north of the downtown core, leading to the development of Le Vieux-Nord. Many of the homes built during this period featured brick and stone construction, decorative architecture, and tree-lined streets that still define much of the neighborhood today. The neighborhood also became associated with education, healthcare, and religion as Sherbrooke expanded during the 20th century. Churches, schools, and institutional buildings were constructed throughout the area, helping shape the community's identity. Historic churches remain important landmarks within and near the neighborhood, reflecting the influence of both French Catholic and English Protestant communities in the Eastern Townships. Several older buildings continue to serve educational, cultural, and residential purposes today. Le Vieux-Nord is also known for its proximity to parks and green spaces. Nearby walking trails, public gardens, and wooded areas provide residents and visitors with access to outdoor recreation within the city. Seasonal changes strongly influence the appearance of the neighborhood, from green summer landscapes to colorful autumn foliage and snowy winters. The combination of historic architecture and mature tree cover gives the area a distinctive appearance compared with newer parts of Sherbrooke. One of the defining characteristics of Le Vieux-Nord is its architectural variety. Victorian-era homes, early 20th century residences, apartment buildings, and institutional structures can all be found throughout the area. Many buildings have been preserved or restored, helping maintain the historic appearance of the neighborhood while adapting to modern residential and commercial needs. The area remains popular with students, professionals, and families because of its central location and connection to Sherbrooke's universities and downtown district. Sherbrooke is the largest city in the Eastern Townships and has a population of roughly 170,000 people. Located at the meeting point of the St. Francis and Magog rivers, Sherbrooke developed into an important industrial and commercial center during the 19th century. Water power from the rivers supported mills, factories, and manufacturing industries that helped drive the city's growth. Textile production, paper manufacturing, and rail transportation became especially important to the local economy during the industrial era. The region surrounding Sherbrooke was first settled mainly by loyalists and immigrants from the United States and Britain during the late 1700s and early 1800s. Because of this settlement history, the Eastern Townships developed differently from many older French communities located along the St. Lawrence River. English-speaking settlers played a major role in the region's early growth, although French-Canadian communities expanded steadily over time. Today, Sherbrooke reflects both English and French influences in its architecture, institutions, and local history. Sherbrooke is also known as an important educational center in Quebec. The city is home to the University of Sherbrooke and Bishop's University nearby in Lennoxville. Thousands of students attend schools and colleges throughout the city each year, contributing to Sherbrooke's economy and cultural life. Research, healthcare, and education have become increasingly important industries as traditional manufacturing declined over recent decades. The city's rivers continue to shape both its appearance and development. Bridges, parks, walking trails, and waterfalls can be found throughout Sherbrooke, especially near the downtown area and along the riverbanks. Public art, historic buildings, and cultural festivals also contribute to the city's identity. Sherbrooke has worked to redevelop many former industrial areas into public spaces, residential districts, and recreational areas while preserving parts of its industrial heritage. Sherbrooke experiences all four seasons strongly, which shapes tourism and recreation throughout the region. Summers bring boating, cycling, and festivals, while autumn attracts visitors looking for colorful foliage across the hills of the Eastern Townships. Winter supports skiing, snowboarding, and snowshoeing in nearby mountain areas, and spring gradually transforms the rivers and forests after the long, cold season. These seasonal changes remain central to life across the region. Today, Sherbrooke serves as the economic, educational, and cultural center of the Eastern Townships. The city combines historic industrial roots with universities, healthcare institutions, tourism, and outdoor recreation. Neighborhoods such as Deauville help connect Sherbrooke to the natural beauty of the surrounding lakes and countryside. Visitors passing through the area experience a region shaped by rivers, forests, settlement history, and the changing landscapes of southern Quebec. watching!